Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickles without canning. We'll focus on quick pickling, a simple method that uses refrigeration instead of traditional heat processing. This means you can enjoy delicious, tangy pickles much faster. You'll primarily need fresh cucumbers, a good vinegar, water, salt, sugar, and any spices you love. The best part is that the hands-on preparation time is usually under 30 minutes, making it a perfect project for any day. Now, let's craft the heart of your pickles, the brine. A fantastic starting point is a 1-to-1 ratio of vinegar to water, ensuring a perfectly balanced tang. For every cup of this liquid mixture, incorporate 1 tablespoon of pickling salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Gently heat this solution on your stovetop, stirring until both the salt and sugar are completely dissolved. This warm brine will infuse your vegetables beautifully. With your brine ready, it's time to prepare your vegetables. Thoroughly wash and trim your cucumbers, then slice them into your preferred shape. Spears, chips, or rounds work wonderfully. Next, carefully pack these prepared vegetables tightly into clean, heat-safe glass jars. Don't forget to add your favorite aromatics: a few sprigs of fresh dill, a couple of garlic cloves, or a pinch of mustard seeds will elevate the flavor profile significantly. Finally, pour your hot, flavorful brine directly over the packed vegetables in each jar, making sure every piece is completely submerged. Once filled, let the jars cool down to room temperature on your counter. After they've cooled, seal them tightly and transfer them to your refrigerator. Your delicious quick pickles will be ready to enjoy in just 24 hours and will maintain their crispness and flavor for several weeks in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.